I originally picked up this black puck light because I thought the black casing would be perfect. It would blend into any black backgrounds. However, it's exceptionally bright, far more than 300 lumens. It's headache inducing. And so I wanted to figure out a way to put some films, possibly even colored films, over it. I also found these really cool Slinkies at the dollar store, but they have a Mylar coating. And I thought it would be really cool at the same time if I was figuring out a way to put films over the puck light to maybe figure out some sort of a way to interchange the Slinkies so that according to the preferred color or the type of Slinky. I did check out, as was recommended, Slinky Juniors. I got a couple of those. They are quite a bit thicker and they don't, and a little bit shorter. Which I think for this particular case would probably be better. So I did find a lot of different Slinkies, and what I eventually came up with was this little device here. This is just a round cardboard box that I've cut down to size, put a hole in the bottom, and then I ran elastics through the bottom of it and glued those on the inside. So now what I can do is I can take any number of different films and I can throw those in there first and put the puck light in, and then what we have is, that one is a red light, can't really tell it that far away, but red light with the yellow Slinky in it. There's a whole bunch of different things we were experimenting with. One of my favorites is, actually, of all things, is just a cupcake liner that gives a little bit of a design there. So that was pretty cool, the way the light shines through that as well.